Alright, check. Nice. Alright, guys, so I forgot my tackle box in the car, and I just started going through this old tackle box that I had out here. It's my brother's, actually. He left out here a long time ago. As you can see, everything's like rusted up. I mean, it's been sitting out here forever. And I was flipping this over. Bam, Black Widow. Y'all can't see that. But yeah, I wasn't even thinking about no Black Widow. Yeah, creeps me out. Oh, there's something in there. Something in there. What is it? There's live stuff. What is it? Oh, cockroaches. Oh, biggins. Yeah, this has been there a long time. What is that? It says curl-tail minnow. I don't know what it is. I'm not taking that with me. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. So I forgot my stuff. And then I spotted that Black Widow. But I got me some stuff, so. And I already got a lure on my rod that I was using last time. Found me a nice little chatterbait. We'll give that a try. But yeah, I'll pick you up when we get down there. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. We got some beautiful property out here. There's 9 acres just here where I'm standing. All of it's fenced in. Oh, I got one. Hey. Yes, sir. Whoa. Calm down, bro. Hey. That's number 1, guys. A little small. Hope y'all can see that. Oh, yes, sir. There's number 1. Oh, yeah. There we go. Bass number 2. Not big. The ones we was catching the other day were way bigger than this. Well, not way bigger, but they were definitely bigger. Not bad. Number 2. That was nice. I thought I hooked up on that tree branch right there, and apparently I hooked the fish, and then he got me in the branch. There it is, another one over there. We're gonna find him. little. Well, guys, like always, I forgot to do an outro. So I'm going to do a voiceover right quick. I enjoyed the day, spent a couple hours down at the pond, only caught 2 fish, but it was worth it. Fun time. We'll be back down there again, hopefully on a sunny day. And yeah, until then, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you then. Later.